everyone, welcome to my channel. Recently Rahu has transited the sign of Taurus and Ketu has transited the sign of Scorpio in the cosmos, and both Rahu and Ketu are going to stay in these signs for the next 1.5 years. So let's go ahead and find out how this transit is going to affect your zodiac sign for the next 1.5 years. And in case you like my video, please push the like button and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to push the bell icon so that you can get updated with all my upcoming latest videos. And in case you want personal readings from me on your horoscope, please feel free to contact me on my email account or at my Facebook page or my Instagram account. The links are given below in the description section. Pisces, Rahu is transiting your third house of siblings, younger siblings, neighbors, small network circle, close group of friends. Third house also represents your communication, your courage, your efforts, creativity, artistry and talents. Now let's see what Rahu is doing here. Since Rahu represents obsession, it's a very good time to spend in company of your younger sibling, neighbors and friends. A good time to nurture the relationship with them. But since Rahu is also malefic, it might be that you face some problems or difficulties with these people as well, or your younger sibling, your neighbor or friend might face some difficulties during this time. Now since Rahu is also transiting in the house of your courage, of your efforts, creativity and artistry, you may also feel that your courage and efforts have doubled up, so use this wisely. Since Rahu is in the sign of Taurus of wealth and assets, use your traits, this doubled up courage, communication, efforts of yours wisely, invest them properly so that you get monetary benefits out of this, monetary returns, financial returns out of this. Rahu is aspecting your 11th house of gains, where Saturn is already sitting in the sign of Capricorn. Saturn and Rahu energy are never good together in a house, for a house. So initially during this 1.5 years time, you might face some difficulty in earning money, but just relax, think logically, act practically, and things will get sorted out on their own. Hard work never fails. So the more you put in your effort, your creativity, you put in your innovative ideas, unique ideas which Rahu represents, your good communication forward, the more you will gain. Don't worry about it. Other than this, Ketu is transiting in your 9th house of higher education, of religion, law. 9th house also represents your teachers, gurus, and it also represents universities, education, conferences, long distance travel and cross cultural communication and connection. So what is Ketu doing here? Ketu basically represents spirituality, moksha, healing and intuitive science. So many of Pisceans will take up education, higher education and research work in occult, mysticism, astrology and other occult sciences like Tantra, Vidya, etc. Other than this, many of Pisceans may also think about changing their stream of education because Ketu represents separation. So it might be that you may not be very much satisfied with your current education, stream of education, or your current university where you are engaged in, and you may want to have a change in them. So please go ahead and make the change, because Ketu is intuition also. So when you are feeling intuitive about making a change, you should go for it. It will be better for you, better for your future prospects. Other than this, many of the Piscean may land up job or get connected to university education or jobs related to university. You may take up job as a teacher or professor in university as well. Ketu from your 9th house will be aspecting your ascendant, Piscean Lagna as well. So many times it would happen that you might feel that you're not having clarity of thought. Since Ketu is elusive, it is smoke, it will prevent you from thinking clearly. it will put a thick fog in front of your eyes and mind, so you can't see properly. So it might happen at times, since it's only an aspect at your lagna, that you are unable to think clearly. There can be unclarity of thought or indecisiveness to you. So the best solution to all this is meditation, because Ketu also advocates meditation to the maximum. The more you meditate on a regular level, you will gain mental stability and mental strength to think clearly in a right way and take right decision. This is going to be very beneficial for you during this 1.5 years tenure. Also, many of you will be inclined towards doing research work in field of artistry and creativity. So all the best with all that, and I hope you liked my video, and please subscribe my channel and push the bell icon. And in case you require personal consultation on your horoscope from me, please feel free to contact me at my email account or at my Facebook page or Instagram account. You can message on both the social platforms. The links are given below in the description section. Thank you very much and good luck.